Welcome back to Amehana's Cauldron. I am Amehana, or Teresa Garcia, and today's video for this channel is a food dare. Cat, you need to leave this alone. Pardon my son's kitchen as she tries to take off with the tripod. As I was saying, today's video qualifies as a food dare. It is a fried peanut butter and onion sandwich. Cat, you leave it alone. This is an idea that I found on Facebook from, I do believe it was my friend Mike. A thing that he shared. So I am going to give this a go. I will be back after it is fried for my reaction, providing the cat does not steal the camera. And I am back. We have here one fried peanut butter and onion sandwich. I'm actually thinking that maybe I should have slapped a slice of cheese on there and modified this recipe. Let's see. Okay, that's good so far. No onion in that bite though. This is actually pretty good as is. A bit of chocolate would be interesting, and a bit of cheese would also be an interesting variation of this. The peanut butter that I used was the stuff that I had on hand. It was the one that already had honey mixed into it by Jeff, I think. Skippy. By Skippy. The onion that I used was a yellow onion, and the bread is a 24 grains and seeds by Rogue River. And I guess that's the end of the video, because I'm being called.